Good Sunday evening, mid-Missouri. It's been another beautiful day, a very sunny day. And in fact, we're looking live at the Lake of the Ozarks at sunny conditions. Nearby, though, has been some thunder and lightning. Still folks out enjoying the water, even though you're a little close to lightning there. That's at 6 p.m. here. And that's just really the kind of night that we're having. Very isolated convective storms showing up across mid-Missouri. It's very spotty, and a lot of us are actually not picking up on any rainfall, but a few of us are. That thunderstorm there near the Lake of the Ozarks, just over south of Camdenton now, but that's really what we're looking at. You remember yesterday I was talking about a dry patch, and that's going to be now just shifting off to our west. Everything's kind of shifted a little bit west. We picked up on this moisture moving in from the Ohio River Valley. It's here now, and it's bubbling up this afternoon with some of those isolated storms. Tomorrow that will shift west, and we're looking dry again. Tonight's forecast here looking pretty great. Those storms are going to die down after sunset. We may keep a lingering shower or two by 10 o'clock, but most of us are dry by 10. And then we're looking at a sunrise tomorrow morning to a mostly clear sky with temperatures in the low to mid 60s, in some places in the mid 60s. Our UV index tomorrow looking pretty bright, about an 8. You can burn it as little as 20 minutes with no protection, and that's been just about the forecast every single day. The sun this time of the year, of course, is strong. It's almost summer, right? So speaking of summer, pool forecast for Monday, if you've got the time, 90 there for 3 o'clock. It's going to be warm. I dipped in the pool water earlier this morning. It's not a heated pool, and my pool's starting to warm on up, and so I suspect yours is probably as well. That is if you don't get a bunch of rain dumped in it this evening. And if that's the case, well, it's unfortunate, but you got the much-needed rain, so you take the wins with the losses there, right? Isolated storms this evening, dying down with sunset. We should not see much in the way of redevelopment after we get to about 8, 9 o'clock. And then we're looking at dry conditions overnight, temperatures dropping into the low 60s by sunrise, starting to warm quickly with sunshine, and of course some drier air moving back in here from the east. Now, it's not completely out of mid-Missouri. We may see enough moisture linger in the southwestern counties to pop an isolated storm near Warsaw, Sedalia, Versailles, and Camdenton. But overall, the vast majority of us are dry and won't even see a chance for an isolated storm. As we head into Tuesday, more dry weather sticks around. We are looking, though, Tuesday night into Wednesday at a cold front sliding in here from Springfield, Illinois direction, the north and east. Again, it's a weird direction. This is not what we typically expect, but everything that we're tracking is moving east to west, essentially. And that's something to keep in mind with storms out there this evening. But we are seeing our chance for rain move in along that cold front, maybe early Wednesday, seeing that chance in the north. And we're going to see that chance for rain Wednesday translate from north to south. Timing is a little bit questionable still at this point, but it's looking possible that we could see that linger into early Thursday before drier air behind all that moisture, that pocket of moisture that's moving in. We may see some rain Thursday morning before we dry back out. But again, we could really use the rain. We're still well down on the month and, of course, the year. As we look at the 7-day forecast, our ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast showing our best chance for rain the rest of the week coming on Wednesday. Now, beyond that, things are drying out, at least through the work days. Heading into Saturday, we're looking at more moisture working back in, and there is some question as to how the rain chances shake out, but it looks like they're going to be split between Saturday and Sunday, at least as it looks right now, better chances for rain. Not a big cool down, though. We're still keeping temperatures in the mid to upper 80s Friday and Saturday.